Everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards Ripping 2022 Topps Update Chrome Baseball Hobby. This is 6-box break number 46. Pick your team. Excuse me. We have Aaron K. Royals, Alexandros S. Rays, Anton R. Padres, Cooper B. Pirates, Corey C. Giants, David B. D-backs, Edward P. Red Sox, Gary A. Dodgers, Hung C. Phillies, James B. Reds, Jeff L. Brewers, Rockies, and Marlins, Joe T. Mariners, Astros, Justin O. Rangers, Blue Jays, Braves, Orioles, Mets, Nationals, Larry C. White Sox, A's, Matthew M. Cubs, Mike P. Twins, Nicholas C. Yankees, Poyen L. Guardians, Sean B. Cardinals, Timothy M. Tigers, and Zachary D. Angels. All right, let's do it. Good luck, everyone. John Duran, rookie purple. Dustin May. Sal Kaline. Yeah, I hope you get something good, Justin. Josh Harrison. Leo Ramos generation now. This is Orioles, rookie auto, Mike Baumann. Jake Walsh. Vlad and Joe Ryan. Isaiah Kiner-Falefa. Stephen Kwan, rookie. Duffy, Nick Allen. Tyler Mahle. Hunter Green, Wander Franco, debut purple. Chirinos. Cortez and Garcia. O'Neill Cruz, rookie debut. Duran. Rod Carew and Paddock. Severino. Oz and Iglesias. Rojas and Lodolo. Lodolo, Smiley. Nelson Cruz. Maddox and Smith. There's a Torkelson debut and Diaz. Cato, Wander, generation now. Rodon. All right.
Seeing right now.
Okay, no. Like, yeah, it's not good. Overflow. Springer and Pilkington. Brad Miller. Archive Sig Series should be a lot of fun tomorrow before Almanac. There's Bobby Witt Jr. rookie debut. 2013 Archive Sig Series. Brand new release day break. Jeremy Pena rookie debut. Jorge Soler. Yeah, that's let's see, we have 6 cases of it, random team style. Ohtani and Marnacchio. I don't remember what my record is for most one-of-ones in a case, but I think it might have hit double digits one time. There's J-Rod, rookie debut. Spencer Torkelson, rookie debut. And what is this? Wow, look at that. Mariners. Orange refractor rookie auto, Julio Rodriguez.
Let's go.
Monster hit for the Mariners.
Oh my goodness. There we go. Here we-
Awesome, J-Rod. That is 15 of 25.
Come on,
Will
do something
Smith.
good, will you?
I had to push this break to the end of the day. When they make me do that, there's always a big hit inside.
One day you'll hit something good. Maybe. I don't know though.
I don't know. I need to figure out. I think I figured out how Sam's like doing what he does. There's Alec Thomas rookie purple. It wasn't
What do you
even.
think this is, like 7K?
Oh, I don't know. It's a bunch.
Considering the regular Topps Chrome Orange Auto is like 15 as a BGS 9,
Jeez.
so the update is probably
Probably-
half that,
Man.
60% of it.
Yeah, that's nuts.
So 7 to 8K, maybe approaching 10.
Jeez. Jeremy Pena. There's Trout. The last time I had the Topps Chrome Update 6-boxers like this, I pulled a Trout All-Star Game auto.
I'd take this one a little bit.
Yeah,
a
me
little bit
too.
of Trout.
Me
Just
too.
a little bit. Like, granted, careers wise, I'm not gonna take this one, but like in the card market, I'm gonna take J-Rod over Trout. which
Thomas
is
and Abrams.
crazy to actually say out
All
loud,
right.
but yeah, I'm taking that over an orange Trout from the same product.
Nico
What are
Goodrum.
you taking, Jake?
This for sure.
I'm taking my Mark McGuire. That's what I'm taking.
If it was a Wander, I'm taking Wander all day.
Blooper. That's awesome. Who had the Rays?
Me and the Mariners.
Or yeah, you just said Wander and it threw me off.
Joe T.
Joe T. Disco. Congrats.
I didn't mean to throw you off.
Bob Gibson and Jan Gomes. He's probably not even watching live. Montero. Right now, Joe T is existing somewhere in this world, not knowing he just hit an orange J-Rod.
Joe T, are you here? Are you here?
There's Torque rookie, Jeremy Pena rookie, Pache. I wasn't thinking auto. I was just like, I was like, man, it'd be awesome if that was like one of the, like a
Yeah.
J-Rod orange.
Yeah.
It's Arias,
That is a big boy card.
Mike Trout, Luke Williams, Chris Bassett, Mathewson and Lucius Fox, CJ Abrams rookie, Royce Lewis rookie, Bryson Stott, George Kirby rookie purple, Cesar Hernandez. All right. Devers and Melendez. Jeremy Pena debut. Morales. Bryce Harper, die cut greats. I love that there's a card called die cut greats. It's not a die cut. J-Rod debut. Chapman.
Yeah, that was weird.
Ramos, Bryson Stott debut. And a redemption. It's going to be a base auto. Rays, Rene Pinto. All right. Rowdy Tellez, purple.
Definitely no J-Rob.
Jeremy Pena rookie.
That's for
I know I could pull like a like a Pujols Superfract right now, and I'd be like, nah. There's Vlad and Perez. I would be whelmed. Just whelmed. There's Ethan Roberts. Lou Gehrig. Die cut greats. I'm glad I waited until the end of the day to pull that.
Yeah, dude.
It'd be hard to top it. Like, I love pulling big hits, but man, it's like sometimes it's hard when you pull like a really big hit at the start of the day, and you just like really can't top it, you know. Hunter Green, Bryson Stott, rookie purple. JP Sears.
This looks clean too.
Awesome.
Stickers off.
Cortez and Frazier.
The card itself. Nice.
Cabrera. Tony Gwynn. Helio Ramos, rookie purple. Gabriel Arias, rookie purple. Boz, Royce Lewis, rookie purple. Josh Lowe. Freddie Freeman, Bo Brysky. CJ Abrams, rookie. Stephen Kwan, rookie purple. There's David Ortiz. Spencer Torkelson, rookie debut, purple. Javier Baez. Torp, debut. Wander Franco, Generation Now. Cato. Marcus Stroman. All right. Second half of the break. Suzuki rookie, Contreras All-Star. Royce Lewis debut. Lodolo, Bobby Witt, rookie. Chipper. Cole Sands. O'Neal Cruz, rookie Generation Now. Kenzie Gore, purple debut. Jordan and Chris Archer. Freddie Freeman. Roberto Clemente, die cut greats, and Torque, rookie purple. Nick Pivetta. Bobby Witt Jr., Generation Now rookie. Scherzer. Dansby. Rodriguez. Wander rookie debut. Boz. Buster Posey die cut and Marte. $48 to go on Sports Card Almanac Personal Box or Baseball Personal Box Edition, Volume 1. There's 100 boxes of that. Over half full. Those will be done tomorrow afternoon here on the Leighton Baseball channel. After our Archive Signature Series, 20 box full case random team style breaks. Ryan Pepio. Gonsolin and Pineda. Stephen Kwan debut. Adrian Martinez, rookie refractor to 299. And Brendan Donovan, rookie purple. Robinson. Donovan. O'Neal Cruz debut purple. O'Neal Cruz debut. Jay Melendez, Soto. There he is. What's up, Disco? Congrats, man. That's awesome.
Heck of a card, man.
How are you not modded? How do I have so many people that I haven't modded?
Ken Murphy. I didn't even know Ken Murphy had an auto.
Yeah, he doesn't even spell Murphy right. All right,
Yeah,
Murphy.
I got
Murphy.
you. I got you.
Yep. Jake's gonna put it in there for you.
There you go, my friend. Congrats.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Amazing card, dude. Amazing.
Mookie and Kato. Abrams. Betty. There's Hunter Green, Feller, and Frazier. Gary Sanchez. I wonder if that's the biggest hit I've pulled on the channel since the J-Rod Super Auto. Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Otani, Ramos, rookie purple.
I don't think. Probably.
This is Marlins, rookie auto, Brian De La Cruz. There you go, Miami, one of the last teams taken. Tyler Naquin. McClanahan and Stott debut. Kluber and Castillo. Jimmy Fox, die cut greats, and Breisky.
What'd you pull from that?
Some stuff. Some good stuff, nothing
Nothing
like
bad.
that. J-Rod debut. Alec Thomas and Torque debut. Strata and Kikuchi. I think the coolest hit I pulled out of Dynasty was the Freddie Freeman World Series ball
Yeah.
auto. That was crazy. Stanton and Castellanos. Trevino. Frank Thomas die cut greats and Rojas. Austin Meadows. Did you think of any other D-back pitchers?
So Zach Gallen.
There's
they
Pena,
have-
generation now.
They have Ryan Nelson.
Mhm.
They
Juan,
had Matt Bum.
but he was a mad bum.
He's a bum, yeah.
Goldschmidt, Royce Lewis, rookie purple. Odor,
I know I'm missing like one or two.
Eddie Murray, and Pujols. Jacob Stallings. Julio Rodriguez, rookie. Lodolo, rookie purple. All right, one box to go. Let's see if we can top this J-Rod. Not likely. I don't know why I haven't put this up on a stand. There we go. Oh, it's got a glare. There we go. Turner, Lovestito. Have you heard anything about the pitcher that the Tigers signed from the
Oh,
the
yeah.
WBC?
2K Eber or whatever.
Yeah. It's Morales.
I haven't heard anything since the WBC.
Robinson and Zimmer. Matt Chapman,
Oh, that's right. Dang it.
Cunha. What's that?
Trey Jameson.
Uh,
I thought he was in the bullpen.
it's Ratty Tellez.
That's gonna make me mad.
Contreras and Bradish.
Well, Mad Bum was their fifth, but now that he's gone, it's probably gonna be Spot or whatever his name is.
Yeah.
They're gonna call it Spot.
There's Torkelson and Willie Mays die cut. Brandon Marsh debut. Stephen Kwan generation now.
They're top three.
JP Sears. Verlander and Bryson Stott purple. Jeremy Pena rookie. Cabrera debut. Bobby Witt Jr. debut. Mel Ott Melendez. Arias rookie purple. Royce Lewis and William Woods. Josh Lowe debut. Castillo All-Star and Chatsin. Savali and Michael Fulmer, Aqua Refractor to 250. Tigers. Stephen Kwan, rookie purple. Tom Seaver and Roberto Perez. Jake Odorizzi and Javier Baez. Seiya Suzuki generation now. Last pack. Alec Thomas and Marcus Stroman. All right. We'll do a recap here in just a sec. Don't forget tomorrow, release day for 2023 Topps Archive Signature Series Baseball. We have 6 full 20-box case random team style breaks scheduled. Those should end, I think, about noon. And then after that, we have Sports Card Almanac Baseball Personal Box Edition Volume 1. And I am going to drop a link here for you for those. Almanac spots. You can pick your box. They're numbered 1 through 100. All right. So we had A's rookie refractor to 299, Adrian Martinez. Tigers Aqua Refractor. That's to 250, Michael Fulmer. Rays rookie auto, Rene Pinto. Orioles rookie auto, Mike Bauman. Marlins rookie auto, Brian De La Cruz. And the star of the show here, hit of the day, maybe even hit of the week. That is Mariners rookie orange refractor auto to 25, Julio Rodriguez. That is numbered 15 of 25. Awesome hit. Congrats, Joe T. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. I'll wrap it up in a minute.